Good afternoon. It is Thursday the 19th of May 2011 and we are in East Wretham Nature Reserve, the Norfolk Wildlife Nature Reserve in the Brecks of Norfolk, which is sort of getting towards Thetford. And Julia Sorrell has been at work for the best part of this week and last week as well on drawing these tumbled down pine trees. The pine trees are quite characteristic of Breckland. They were planted as windbreaks in the 19th century to avoid soil erosion, and this tree obviously succumbed to the wind. It's a heath, so it's a very dry heath. It's May, but it's very no grass or anything. And but these particular tumble down roots and whatever, there's a bird watcher walking past, are very reminiscent of the bristlecone pines that you see in California, but also quite similar to some of the earlier woodscapes, like Woodscape 1 and Woodscape 5 that Julia did some years back. They were also based on the pine stump. If I draw in, you can see Julia's painting in more detail, where she's drawing or painting. Anyway, she's been on work on this for quite some time. It's quite a detailed piece of work, and it's starting to come towards its fruition, probably several days more, but it's quite a dramatic piece, quite large. She's had some very windy days here, and the van has acted as a shelter